Alright guys, so earlier I went to try to film and I had one of those like dash mounts or window mounts that like suction cup on, but it just was not working. There was no way to get a good angle. I was either pointed at my like legs, my thighs, or it was pointed straight at the shifter. So now we got the GoPro POV mount on the head, so we're gonna try to get some video just driving around. I got a break in my engine still. I'm at 612 miles and I need about 850 before I can get tuned, and the place to get tuned is about 100 miles away, so I need to get like 700, 720, and then I'll probably head up there. But yeah, so we're just gonna be driving around, maybe get some exhaust clips too. Passenger seat. What's good, bros? So we're just driving around for absolutely no reason, looking for protests.
We should go downtown. I mean, but they are in the road.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, it's also coronavirus, COVID time, so like a lot of.
They're trying to break it up so they don't spread infection. Yeah, but in Florida we're like 50% open already. People don't even care. People never really cared here in Florida that much. Dude, no one's out right now. You notice that?
It's raining.
Raining at 11 at night on a Sunday night. I wonder if the GoPro can hear me because my car's a little loud.
Yeah, it is pretty loud.
A little drone. A little POV downshift action. There's two feds right there. Well, if we get pulled over, it makes for good content. So
There's one right there.
Oh, someone is pulled over.
Of...
Oh, there's another fed.
Yeah, you didn't see that one?
Is there a riot, dude?
Dude, there's like...
Oh, should I go left? Or should we go back around? See what's going on? We're gonna go see what's going on with these cops. See if there's like... I really doubt there's a riot, but we did just see like 6 cops split up.
You're at a gas station.
Well, someone's doing a...
Dude, two just left, and there's... I think there's still 5 there.
Past the cops with your loud ass car at 11 at night on a Sunday during COVID. But we kind of want to see what's happening. Those are all cops.
This guy's gonna...
Oh, it's 2 lanes, so
1, 2, 3, 4.
Dude, what's happening? They were all just sitting behind their car. You saw that?
They're all just talking. They must have...
Something must have happened, dude.
Well, they finished whatever they're doing.
Yeah, that's fat.
Probably just talking about all the shit that's going on in the world.
Yeah, it's possible.
But I mean, something happened to get them together.
To get them together, probably. Or they have nothing else to do because nothing's going on.
They got their lights on.
Maybe they... Oh, no, you know what it may be? Yeah, they do have their lights on. Yeah, but no one's there now and their lights are still on. Maybe they're all just... They, like, had more cops because of what's going on and they have nothing to do now. This is right by Bell Tower.
Dude, a rat just ran across the road.
I saw that. Is that a rat? I thought it was a cane toad.
It was a rat. Pretty sure it was a rat. Lights are on at the airport.
People are flying. Whoa! Got air almost right there. You know, guys, after driving a STI, STIs are not for everybody, at least the older models, because they creak, they have horrible road noise. With coilovers, they ride like shit. All around, just, you gotta be like kind of chill about what you're driving and just in for the ride if you get a STI, because they're not by no means luxury cars. Seats are nice, but other than that, you're riding, it feels like kind of like a falling apart piece of plastic. Don't you think, Kevin? Your dad's car's not like that though, because They really revamped the new STI model.
Yeah.
His dad's got a 19 or 18?
18.
18 STI. And that's just like a whole different ball game. But whatever. Still fun.
I can't wait for my car to spit flames.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be sweet. We're gonna be spitting flames together. Having a little flame off. Are you gonna get two-step or anything or no? Do people do that, or rolling anti-lag, or?
Yeah, I think they do. I don't know.
Like people would do rolling anti-lag on STIs, but STIs already blow up without that, so no reason to make them blow up. Even higher risk. After the other day when the car was overheating, we added coolant, and so far it hasn't even gone past 187. Oh yeah, earlier I'd add more coolant because it sucked it all out of the overflow tank, getting all the air bubbles out. It was self-bleeding. So that thing was empty. So I added more. And it hasn't been smelling like coolant, so I think we're straight on the leaks.
Burned it all off.
Oh yeah, off the engine, yeah, that we spilled. All I'm talking about, it hasn't been burning any new coolant.
Yeah.
And if it had like a head gasket issue, usually they can't, the self-bleeding doesn't work because there's too much combustion going in and out of it, which I don't know why I would have a blown head gasket, but I just don't trust it anymore.
STI. Where?
Right here. There's a lot of it. You got shit over there.
My BMW has it, my Ford has that. The Crossfire had it.
What are these called?
A-pillars.
Yeah. B-pillars or? A-pillars? What's a B-pillar? The second one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, the A-pillars. Yeah, a lot of cars have that. If you stick like a little piece of 3M tape down there, it stops, but then it like melts in the Florida heat and you gotta redo it. So you gotta rattle over here, rattle over there, rattle down there, rattle back there, rattle here. That's why you get a loud exhaust so you can't hear your rattles. What's gas doing that? Like I started spinning at like 4K and I just whacked rail over here to pop.
Yeah. Glad of keeping the Mustang and finishing it up for content.
Dude, what are we gonna do with it once it's done? Like spray it?
Sell it. Or, I don't know, maybe spray
it?
paint it.
No, I mean spray it with NOS.
Oh.
Spray it.
I don't know, man.
Like Cletus did with his
Yeah.
Camaro.
Yeah.
America, spitting ball needles out the hood, so much horsepower.
Really anything.
Or maybe on my BMWs it's just silent no matter what. 'Cause this is a stock wall valve. Hey, you can't act like that wasn't an A1 downshift, Evan. Pretty good. Just pushed up. Get some exhaust clips.
Alright.
Oh,
What's up, guys? Evan here from B&B Cars. Make sure to click that like button until it turns blue if you like the video. Subscribe for more content, and I'll stay tuned for the next episode of B&B Cars. We'll be right back.